Okay, you're gonna start off by holding the deck in a dealer's grip like so, and you're gonna extend your left index till you reach this corner, and you're gonna use your right hand, basically using your thumb and middle, and you're gonna break a small packet with your middle. Okay, and then with your thumb you're gonna break another packet, a small, make sure that the packets are small so it's easier for you to do this flourish. So now you're breaking a packet with your thumb, and the opposite corner of this packet is contacting your index that you placed earlier. You're now going to use your right thumb and pivot this packet like so. So now you're in this position, and you're going to switch grip from your left index to your left middle. You're now going to pivot this packet about your right thumb like so till you get over here. You're going to do a packet spin. So you're going to use your right index to pivot this packet till you get right over here. Okay, and then you're going to continue spinning this packet about your left thumb, rotating it about your right thumb, sorry, until you reach your pinky. So now you're holding the packet between your right thumb and pinky, and then you're going to re-grip this deck in your left hand into a straddle grip, and you're going to contact the pinky right over here, and you're now going to basically extend till you get this display, this alignment display. So basically what you did over here was just place your pinky and this, and then you're going to drop this packet by continue rotating this packet about your left pinky like so, and now you're going to push this packet like so with your right index, and then once you pushed it forward, you're now going to push it backwards like so, completely spinning it, and then place it on top of the deck.